I will be sharing my correlation research design. According to Crane and Williams, physical activity is not only beneficial to our physical health, but also to our mental health. The statement of the problem is physical activity beneficial to our cognitive intelligence? This study will investigate the relationship between a fitness test score and students' GPA. The subjects will be 130 ninth grade students from Central Campus Minot High School. 65 of them will be males and 65 of them will be females. This will be a convenience sample, being I'm conducting the study on my own 130 physical education students. The data will be collected from the fitness test score, more specifically the push-up test, and GPA will be collected after the first 9 weeks. Here's a sample of the data. The students will make up the rows, and then the columns will be made up of the push-ups and GPA. If you take a look at some of these, some students were able to complete 10 push-ups and have a GPA of 4.0. But then if you look all the way down at the bottom, some students can complete more than 10 push-ups and have a GPA of 2.64. So going into the study, I could tell already that the results were random. The Pearson correlation test was used to determine the correlation between two variables, and these were the results. Students' push-ups completed and their GPA showed a weak or no correlation with the R value of 0.022. The relationship is considered weak or no correlation because 0.022 is not close to positive or negative 1. The relationship is considered random because several students achieved the same amount of push-ups and had significantly different GPAs. And then on the other hand, several students with the same GPA achieved a different number of push-ups. This study shows better fitness test scores in the muscular endurance category, more specifically push-ups, does not affect overall GPA. This is a convenience sample, therefore correlations will vary. This won't be the case for all ninth grade students around the world. And it is recommended that more studies be conducted with a higher emphasis on several muscular endurance tests. For example, take into consideration the push-up test and the sit-up test and the mile run test, then compare it to the overall GPA. My references: Crane and Williams referenced slide number 2 and the Salkind book for the data.